Hello friends, welcome to Dan Law. In today's lecture series, we are going to discuss section 375, that is rape. Punishment for rape is given under section 376 of IPC, but here we are going to study section 375 of IPC. So let's come. Medical definition of rape. Rape, forced sexual intercourse, sexual assault, sexual intercourse between an adult and a minor. Rape may be heterosexual involving members of opposite sexes or homosexual involving members of the same sex. Rape involves insertion of an erect penis or an inanimate object into the female vagina or the male anus. So legal definition of rape may also include forced oral sex and other sexual acts. Heterosexual rape usually refers to an assault in which a male forces himself upon a female, and homosexual rape usually refers to an assault in which a male forces himself upon another male. However, both terms heterosexual and homosexual rape have been used to refer to an assault in which a female forces herself upon a male or a female. Sexual intercourse between an adult and a minor is known legally as statutory rape. The adult can be found guilty of statutory rape even if the minor was a willing partner. Gang rape is a sexual assault in which several persons forced themselves upon a victim. Now come to the provision which is given under the Indian Penal Code of section 375. Now come to the provision which is given under Indian Penal Code under section 375, rape. A man is said to commit rape if he penetrates his penis, okay, to any extent into the vagina, mouth, urethra, anus of a woman, or makes her to do so with him or any other person, okay. Penetration is a special ingredients here, okay. And B is inserts to any extent any object or a part of the body not being the penis into the vagina, the urethra, or anus of a woman, or makes her to do so with him or any person. So penetrates, inserts, and third one is C, manipulates any part of the body of a woman so as to cause penetration into the vagina, urethra, anus, or any part of body of such woman, or makes her to do so with him or any other person. Or D is applies his mouth, manipulates after applies his mouth to the vagina, anus, urethra of a woman, or makes her to do so with him or any other person. So under the circumstances falling under any of the following 7 descriptions, basically these are the acts, and these acts will only be constituted under the circumstances falling under any of the following 7 descriptions. So these are the 7 description. Now I am going to read, so listen. First, against her will means not voluntarily. Against her will means these acts were done against her will, okay. Second one is without her consent, means these acts were done without her consent. Third, with her consent is given what? With the consent has been obtained by putting her or any person in whom she is interested in fear of death. Consent was given under the fear of death or hurt, means frightened. Fourthly, when her consent is given, when the man knows that he is not her husband, and that her consent is given because she believes that he is another man to whom she is or believes herself to is lawfully married, okay. So under these circumstances consent is given, okay. Fifth one is when at the time of giving such consent by reason of unsoundness of mind. Consent is given but by the reason of unsoundness of mind or intoxication or the administration by him personally or through any of any stupefying or unwholesome substance, so she is unable to understand the nature and consequences of that to which she gives consent. Okay, so the consent is given under the such nature, like unsoundness of mind or intoxication. So like she is not under the normal condition, her mind is not at normal condition during intoxication or during unsoundness. So sixth point is with or without her consent, with or without her consent, whether consent or whether not consent, it doesn't matter. When she is under 18 years, under 18 years. Okay. Seventhly, when she is unable to communicate consent, when she is not unable to communicate consent, and these acts were done. Okay, so these acts should be involved. So come to explanation here is for the purpose of this section, vagina shall also include the labia majora. Okay, you better go to the dictionary meaning, we'll get from there, go to the dictionary meaning. So explanation 2, consent means an unequivocal voluntary agreement, unequivocal voluntary agreement when the woman by words, gesture or any form of verbal or non-verbal communication communicates willingness to participate in the special sexual act. Okay, so provided that a woman who does not physically resist to the act of penetration shall not by the reason only of the fact by be regarded as consenting to the sexual activity. So the exception of this section 375 also includes some exceptions. So these are two exceptions here. First one is a medical procedure or intervention shall not constitute rape. Suppose any doctor is there doing any medical treatment to any woman and touch her body, then it does not amount to rape. Okay, or touch, like if there is a requirement, then on that case it will not treated to be as rape, or it will not constitute to be as rape. Okay, exception 2 is sexual intercourse or sexual act by a man with his own wife. Sexual intercourse or a sexual act by a man with his own wife, the wife is not being under, sorry, it is incomplete, so her wife is not being under 15 years of age is not rape. Okay, 15 years of age is not rape. Means sexual intercourse or sexual acts by a man with his own wife, the wife is not being under 15 years of age is not rape. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Deepak Anandandan signing off.